How to fix Airbnb verification failed. So let's get straight into the video. So there are a couple of reasons why you would be facing this problem. The first thing you want to do is check the exact error. Note that the exact error message to understand what went wrong. You can also try again and verify your information. So make sure that your name, your date of birth, and other details match your ID exactly. Use a government valid non-expired ID such as a passport, driver's license, or national ID, and take clear photos of your ID. Make sure that you have good lighting and avoid any glare or shadows. You want to take a selfie in a well-lit area as well, and don't wear sunglasses or hats. If that is not the case, it might be your internet connection. Try toggling between your Wi-Fi and your cellular data and update your Airbnb application from your App Store or Play Store. If none of it works, simply go to help.airbnb.com. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.